Today, Zippy is eating his favorite food and learning how our body breaks food into tiny, useful parts. Yum! Let's go on a food adventure. The food enters the mouth where it is chewed and mixed with saliva, a special juice that helps start digestion. Chunk, let's mash it up. The food is mashed into smaller pieces and mixed with saliva to start breaking down into nutrients. The chewed food moves into the food pipe, where it is slowly pushed down and into the stomach. The food reaches the stomach, a bag-like organ where it begins to break down even more. Whoa, this place is squishy. In the stomach, the food is churned and mixed to break it into even smaller pieces. It's like a food washing machine. The stomach also adds digestive juices and acid that help break the food and kill harmful bacteria. These juices are super strong. The food now enters the small intestine, a long and coiled tube where digestion continues. This tunnel is super long. The small intestine receives helpful juices from the liver and pancreas to continue digestion. Helpers have arrived! The undigested food that is left behind moves forward into the large intestine. Only the leftovers remain. The undigested food enters the large intestine, which is wider and moves things more slowly. This place is wider and slower. In the large intestine, extra water and salts are absorbed from the undigested food. Water is being taken away. The juices from the intestine walls, liver, and pancreas work together to break the food into very tiny particles. The inner walls of the small intestine have tiny finger-like parts called villi. These look like tiny fingers. The digested food passes into the blood through the villi, which have many tiny blood vessels. Zoom into the blood. The remaining waste is finally removed from the body, and the digestion process is complete. Digestion complete. The digested nutrients travel through the blood, parts of the bile, to reach with the wire. These nutrients are used by the body to give energy, help growth, and keep us healthy. Energy delivered. This is how we grow strong. Thanks to digestion, our body gets the energy it needs to grow, move, and stay strong. Let's watch it again. Let's quickly look at the journey of food through our digestive system again. So many steps. The food travels from the mouth to the stomach, and then into the small intestine where digestion continues. In the small intestine, nutrients enter the blood, and in the large intestine, water is absorbed before waste leaves the body. That's the whole journey. Can you remember where digestion starts and how food travels through the body? Can you answer this? Food starts in the mouth, moves through the food pipe, goes to the stomach, then to the small intestine, and finally to the large intestine. Stay healthy and keep learning. Now you know how digestion works, helping your body stay healthy, strong, and full of energy every day. Eat healthy for a happy tummy. Eating healthy food helps your digestive system work well and keeps your body strong and active. Dadlai says bye-bye. Zippy says goodbye. Remember to eat healthy food and take care of your amazing body every day.